Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing a first impressions of this beautiful bag with you. So if you want to know what I think about it and also what fits inside, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so today I wanted to share with you my first impressions of my new bag. This is a joint Christmas gift from my family and from myself to me. And this is the small Laurent Lulu shoulder bag in the color beige. So I'm gonna go through some technicalities first and then we're gonna see what fits inside. Alright, so this bag currently retails 1,850 euros in Germany. I bought this off of Essence and yeah, it arrived last week, so I thought I would film a quick first impressions video with you guys in case you're curious of what it came with. It just came with this little Laurent dust bag because I bought it off of Essence. It doesn't come with a box, but I'm not too fussed about the boxes because I have so many, so I don't know where to store them anyway. So I got this dust bag and inside there was the little tag that they use on the Essence bags, and then I got the authenticity card and my receipt came actually online, so I need to print it out. But yeah, this is how the bag came, and then it came in a cardboard box. I will put the unboxing right here so you can unbox it with me together. So this is my beauty. It is 23 centimeters wide, it is 16 centimeters high, and it is 10 centimeters deep. It is the small size. I believe there's also a medium and a large size. So I think the large size compares to the Chanel jumbo size. And this would be maybe a little taller than the classic, like the regular classic flap in the medium probably, because this is actually quite huge. It's in the color dark beige and it has beautiful gold, H-gold hardware, as you can see right here on the logo and right here on the handles. It has this beautiful gold chain and it has this leather applications right here on the shoulder, so it's really comfortable. It has a chevron pattern, as you can see, going like that, which I think is beautiful. And then it has this magnetic snap closure and you just open it like that. You can see that I still have the sticker on because I wanted to keep it pristine for this video. And then it just has a simple flap with nothing really in there, and then you have this black cloth material. You have 3 compartments, so a skinnier one right here with a little back pocket right here that you could use for either like some gum or your card holder, and then you have like a deeper pocket here. Then you have the zipper compartment that fits your phone perfectly, and then you have the biggest pocket right at the front, which you can use for some bulkier items, like if you have some glasses with you. I will also try and squeeze a can of some soda in there just to show you what fits inside. So this is my beautiful bag. Oh, and it is calf leather, but I don't feel like the Laurent calf leather is too sensitive. I will also film a comparison of this bag with my Camera bag, which is also in calf leather, so you kind of see the wear and tear on my Camera bag if you're scared of calf leather. But I think it's really hard. This is gonna be really hard wearing as well, so I'm really happy about it. And this bag is manufactured in Italy. So let's go to how you can wear this bag, because this is my favorite part. So since you have the double chains, obviously you can wear it on the shoulder like this, and I will get up so you guys can see. So this is how it looks like on the shoulder. I'm 5'7" or 167 centimeters in European sizing, and that's how it drops on me on the shoulder. Obviously you can also wear it on the crook of your arm, which looks really nice. You can also just slide the chain in like so and wear it across the body, which I feel like is a little long on me. I don't think I would wear it that much like this, but you have the option. And then obviously you can also wear it like that on the shoulder which is perfect. All right, you guys, so you just saw how many ways you can wear it. I think this is super versatile. I think definitely my favorite way to wear it is like that. This fits really nice under my shoulder. I have a lot of space here. It sits at a perfect height for me to just open and close. One thing I found, I don't know if it's normal, but it doesn't like close right away. You kind of have to fiddle it a little bit. I don't know if it's because I have the sticker on. It shouldn't be because, I mean, the magnet is strong enough, but I'm probably needing some time to getting used to it. But yeah, I wanted to share with you. Also, I'm gonna insert an outfit that I wore with the bag. I think it fits perfect. Generally, this bag fits really perfectly with my wardrobe because it's the perfect nude. If you guys recall, I have the Gucci Marmont in like a darker nude that is more like on the purpley side. And this one, in comparison to the Gucci one, is more like warm toned and lighter, which fits a lot better with the beiges that I usually wear. I wear a lot of beiges. I also wear a lot of khaki and a lot of browns. So this fits perfectly with my wardrobe. And I wanted to show you a very nice feature that this bag has. So you can slide, it's a little bit loud, but you can slide these little shoulder things right here, and then you can just store it like that, and the chain is just tucked inside. I just think this is really neat for storing the handbag, so I just thought I would share it with you. And here you can see like how the chain comes out, so you have them placed on either side, and it's really easy to slide up and down, so I really like it. And I'm also going to share with you the back side. It's plain, it doesn't have any pockets or anything, but yeah, to me this is perfect. I don't know, I think if it had a back pocket I would probably use it for my phone, but I'm not too bothered about it. Yeah, and I just think it's really perfect, and it's the perfect size. So it's a small one again because I feel like it looks quite large, and it is actually quite large. So yeah, there's also the Toy Lulu, which is way smaller, and it's more of like a camera style bag because you don't have the option of wearing it doubled up. So this is the next one up, and I really just really like it. It also comes in different colors, different hardwares as well, but this to me is just the most beautiful. I just love it so much. And I wanted to share with you what fits inside. So I have some items laying here you don't see, but I'm gonna share with you what I fit inside. First, we're gonna put all of my essentials, and then we're gonna see if we can fit more. So let's begin. I hope this isn't too loud because of the chain, but I'm giving my best. So the first item I'm needing is my phone. So I'm gonna put it in the zipper compartment in the middle. Which is great for storing your phone. It just fits perfectly. I have the iPhone 12 normal one, Pro? Is it Pro? I think it is. Not the Max, but the normal one. And then I have my matching AirPods. I'm gonna put that in this pocket as well, and just close this pocket, and it's really easy. Don't need to close it, actually. I just did. But yeah, and then two items that I always need no matter what is my 6-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton, which holds my keys, and then I have my Zoe wallet, which I will put inside. You will definitely, if you wanted to, you will definitely fit a full-size wallet in there. And I'm just gonna slide them back here if you guys can see. And this has more space for, I'm gonna put just like a lip balm and a lipstick right there in the back. And then we have the whole full top compartment. So I'm gonna slide in my mini pochette, which is filled, it's filled with stuff. So like masks, chargers, hand sanitizer, hand cream, pens, everything basically. So I'm gonna put that right here in the top. I would also have some more space for my planner, but yeah, I don't have it with me. And let's see if it closes perfectly. And it has so much more room. So this is basically, I don't really take the mini pochette everywhere that I go. So this is a little more than I would actually need. And then, sorry, my lights just turned off, but I'm not bothered about it. So I hope you don't mind. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on filming. And then I have my reading glasses that I need for driving. This is actually a really bulky case from Kate Spade. It's actually really pretty, and this will also fit inside. And I can close that. Yes, I can close that, no problem. And doesn't bulge out anything. So this is really really amazing, honestly. I think this fits a lot of stuff. I usually wouldn't take this, honestly. I would just, like, if I'm not using my reading glasses, I will just put them on top of my head, but you could definitely fit that inside. And then I wanted to also show you, in case you don't need the mini pochette, but you need some snacks, I have a can of Coke. This is 330 ml. This will fit at the bottom of the bag, no problem. It bulges out a little bit, like it distorts the shape, but it will fit. Imagine also this could be an umbrella. I lost all of my umbrellas again, so I can't show you how to put an umbrella in there, but there are these mini umbrellas that are approximately the same size, so I think this would definitely fit it as well. And with the Coke bottle, I can actually put my mini pochette again with it. This is kind of hard. Yeah, so this is how it looks like full. As you, like, if you guys know me and have watched unboxings of mine, I never take that much stuff. I just put so much stuff in case you guys want to know and in case it helps you guys out, but I usually just take, yeah, just my wallet, my phone, my keys, maybe a lipstick, a mask, and I'm good to go. I don't need that much stuff, but you could if you wanted to for like a day out. I must say it's quite heavy, but also there is like a kilogram worth of stuff in there, so it's not the bag's full. Without the, I'm gonna take the stuff out. Without the stuff in there, it's actually really light. I think it's because the chains aren't that, they're heavy duty, like they're really good material. They feel heavy, but they're not that thick. So probably that's why the bag itself isn't that heavy, even though it's full leather. So yeah, my first impression is honestly, guys, I love it. I think I have to say it's my favorite bag out of my collection look-wise. I think it looks very, very, it's just pretty. I think it goes for very sophisticated, more work appropriate outfits, but then it also goes like really casually. So I really like, I love it about it. And also you can wear it so many different ways, so you have a lot of options with this bag. So I couldn't be more in love with it. I'm super happy about my new Yves Saint Laurent bag. I knew it's not the newest bag in the world. I know it came out a couple of years ago and a lot of people have raved about it, but actually I thought it was really expensive. So I think it's not expensive for what this bag is. You get a lot of material and a lot of quality for the money you spend. But still, just for my budget, I feel like it's quite expensive. I usually don't buy bags that are more than 1,200 euros or something like that, just because I don't have the funds. But this one, I had to make an exception. I always wanted, and I still want, a classic flap by Chanel, but I think this will have to wait a lot longer, and then I will also go for the pre-loved route because it just got too expensive for my budget, and I can't really justify like spending 6 grand on a bag. I just think that's insane, but this one will do. Definitely will do. This is a very good alternative in my opinion if you always wanted a Chanel bag. Maybe my cravings will stop with having this one, I hope, because this bag is everything. Like, I love the look, I love the brassy gold hardware, I just love the color. The dark beige color is what actually just sold me on this bag. Actually, one of my very good friends has this exact same bag, and I tried it on from her, and I was just so in love. So yeah, this is my new little baby. I hope you guys liked this first impressions. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think about this bag, and I will see you in my next video, which will be a comparison of this bag and my Look Camera bag. So please come back to my channel to watch this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!